Today we are going to do a tour of my virtual office. I want to give you an idea of what an office looks like. A lot of people get that word confused because it sounds so high tech, but all a virtual office is a regular office space, but you only use their mailing address. They charge you a fee for using their mailing address. My virtual office is located right across the street. We're in Central Park right now at Columbus Circle, and it's a very prestigious address, so because it's going to impress your lenders. So instead of using your home address, which is very unprofessional, there's also codes they can use when they pull your credit to see if it's a high income area or not. So Columbus Circle is nothing more high income than there. How much does a virtual office cost? A virtual office costs between $75 to $100 a month. Mine used to be $50 a month for a long time, and sometimes last year they changed it to $75. A virtual office usually has a front desk. The person there is collecting mail, and you can go there and pick up your mail. So when you apply for your business credit cards, that's where your virtual office is going to go. When you are building business credit, always use your virtual office. Do not use your home address because you're going to get approved for less. A lot of banks also have a list of the different neighborhoods, and they're going to know that you're not using a proper professional space. A big mistake that a lot of people do is they get mailing centers. Do not get a mailing center. It's cheaper. It's about $15 a month, but most mailing centers are on a red list. Like banks, when you try to type in the address of the mailing center, the banks already know that it's a mailing center and they're not going to approve you. And not only that, they're not even going to let you enter that address on the application. And a lot of people realize that after they've already paid for it, that they can't use that. So Staples, virtual mailing center, and there's UPS store, and those types of places do not use that. That is not a virtual office. A virtual office is a real physical office with people in there who rent out office space, with employees who work in the front desk. But the only thing is, you do not rent out office space there. You're just picking up your mail. So that's it. So I'm going to give you a tour of my virtual office. The front desk guy is really nice. His name is Dex. He picks up my mail for me, and as soon as I get into the office, he hands my mail to me. There's nice people there. I love my virtual office. There's people there. And also at the virtual office that I have, I'm allowed to use it for 1 hour a month for the conference room. So if I want to impress a client who's in town, I can say, hey, meet me in my virtual office on Columbus Circle, and they'll think that I'm there full time. But I'm not. I'm only there for my mail, but they do allow you to use 1 hour of conference time. A lot of times they let me go past 1 hour. We're going to go do a tour of my virtual office. So where can you find virtual offices? Opus, Alliance, Regus, Spaces. Go on their website and you can pick an address. Don't forget to pick a prestigious address for your virtual office. So this is the first step of getting business funding. Before you form your LLC, make sure you have your virtual office first, so you can put it on your LLC form, because Dun & Bradstreet is going to know where your address is located. So don't put your home address in your LLC and then get the virtual office. Get the virtual office first, and then from day one, have that on your LLC. Have that on your EIN, have that everywhere. So that's the only address for your business, right? And now you're in business. Now you can get $20,000, $50,000, $75,000, $100,000 in business funding. If you want to learn more how to get business funding, just go into my IG, slide into my DMs, and I'll get you set up. If you like my content, please subscribe and have an amazing day. I hope you enjoy the tour.